Friends, today we are going to start the new topic, that is geometric construction. Remember friends, we know in the previous standard we already know about the use of that instruments of that compass box. But till today we are going to take the basic constructions, how to use the instruments in constructions. Okay friends, for that we are going to take few examples which are very basic. If you know that all constructions, then you can handle all these instruments in that further studies. Okay friends, now we'll take one by one. First, we are going to take the given segment. Okay, draw a segment of given length. Okay, see friends, there are 8 to 9 examples are there. All these are very important, and all these examples we are going to take today's video. Okay friends, now see here, the first one means what? That we have to take the segment of given length. Here there are two ways where we can take that segment. One by using scale and other one by using compass. Okay friends, see here first. I will take first compass. See friends, the first one is what? We have to take the first one. See here. Draw a segment of given length. Okay, first we'll take here one example. Draw a segment AB of length, suppose 5.3 centimeter. Okay friends, now I am going to draw this one by using only scale. Okay, by scale. See first, it is one of the very important one. Just 5.3 here. Take this is a scale. Friends, I am going to take this is a big scale. Okay, in your compass box there is one perfect scale. In that one, from beginning, that is from 0 to 5.3. After 5 centimeter, take 3 millimeters like that one. Okay, so here I'll just take here. See friends, it is very important one. From the 0 point, I'll take here. This is 5.3 here. Okay, like this. But I'll draw just a greater one. This is suppose 5.3. You can measure that one in your compass. So scale here. Okay, suppose it is 5.3 here. Write here names AB. This is 5.3 centimeters. Okay friends, this is by scale. Now, when we are going to draw the same figure by using only compass, then how can draw here? See here, by compass. Yes, for that I am going to draw one ray here. Just see here, I am going to draw one ray here. Like this. Okay. Now here I'll write the name A here. Now we are going to take the compass. In that compass, just see here, I am going to take the same distance in that compass. That one just we take here AB here. Okay, like that one. That one I put here on this particular point and try to draw an arc here. Like this. Okay, so that is the point is what? B. This is of length 5.3 centimeter. Understand friends? Like this way, this is the first one. Using scale and here by using compass. At that time, compass, not only compass, here also we used scale, but the compass also we have to use here. Okay friends? Friends, the third one, that is again very simple. We are going to draw one congruent segment to the given segment. See how? See here, the third one. Draw a segment congruent to given segment. Okay, see how? Here I am going to draw here, draw seg AB which is congruent to seg PQ. Means what? Draw sec AB congruent to sec PQ, means sec PQ is given and we are going to draw the sec AB here. Okay, so both these are exactly congruent. See, first I am going to draw one seg PQ here. This is very simple part here. Just suppose they are given to us one segment of this much length here. Okay friends, this is what? Seg PQ. This is how much we don't know. We are going to draw the same, that the segment PQ is given and we are going to draw seg AB of the same length of PQ as like PQ. Okay friends, see again here we have to draw one ray here. That is also very important part here. I am going to just draw the ray here. Okay, how much? Just try to draw one procedure here like this. Okay, now it is what seg AB now. I write here A. So seg AB which is exactly congruent as like PQ. So now in compass I will take here the PQ as like the distance here. Okay, the same distance I will draw here from A on this ray here. Okay, like this. Understand? This is what required point B here. So both these are exactly congruent. That is what seg AB which is congruent to seg PQ like this. Okay friends, this is the procedure. Friends, in the second example, we are going to draw one segment of given length and we can bisect it. Okay, see here, the second example, see here, draw a segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter and bisect it. Okay, see here. First, we are going to draw the segment of length 7.5 centimeter. Friends, I am going to take one approximate distance here because if you take 7.5 centimeter exactly, you cannot see here. Okay, see, for that you can take exactly 7.5 centimeter by using scale. Okay friends, now look here. Here, by using this one, suppose it should be a 7.5. Just try to think here. From this point to up to 7.5, this is one approximate distance. Okay friends, now see here. This is segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter. And I am going to bisect it. See how? Look here, this is again very important part here. Just try to observe here. As usual, we know here every time whenever you are going to bisect a segment, at that time you can take in this compass more than half of this one. Okay, see here, from A here, take more than half, and by this distance we can draw two arcs, one to upside and other is to downside. From both the sides you can take here. Okay, now here from B also you are going to draw the, from B try to draw one arc here, and from B to below also. Okay, like this. Understand? Now after getting these 2 points, try to just join them by using scale. See here, this is intersecting point, here also intersecting point. From these 2 points, we are going to draw a line here. Okay? See here, this is the procedure. This is a perpendicular bisector. Okay? Now, after drawing this perpendicular bisector, whether it is perpendicular bisector or not, let's check. See here. From this point to that middle point, okay, this is the one part. Okay, now from this point to exactly B here, this is the second part. Okay, like this it is bisected. Understand? This is the symbol to denote that both are same, and this is one perpendicular. Understand friends? Okay. See friends, in the next example, that is also very important. So I am going to draw here one by one. There are 2 constructions. These 2 are very important. In every construction we are going to apply the same thing. Okay, see first the 4th one. What is that? Draw a perpendicular line. to the given line, okay, through a point which is on the given line. Okay, see here. First, draw a line perpendicular to given line through a point which is on the given line. Okay, see how. First, I am going to draw a line. Okay, just look here. Okay, this is a line L. Now, there is given to us one point here which is on the line L. I am going to take as a P here. Okay, now from this point P, we are going to draw a line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, see friends, here it is by this compass. Just here, I will take just some distance in this compass, and by this distance, I am going to draw two arcs through point P to this side and to this side also. Look here, like this one. Okay. Now from this side as well. Okay. Now after drawing this point here, I will extend this segment, the distance in this particular compass here. So now I will put here on the new point here, try to draw one arc, and from this side as well. Okay. Now from this point as well, the same distance try to draw here. Okay, now here from this point to particular point to here also. Okay friends, now here these are the 2 points which will get here. Try to join them. This is one point here and here also one point. Try to join them. See here, this is the very important construction. Understand? This is a line M which is perpendicular to this line through a point which is on the given line. Okay? Now, very similar procedure we are going to take in the next example. Now, this particular point P which is outside the given line. Okay? See here. The fifth one, same thing. Draw a line which is perpendicular to given line, okay, through a point which is outside the line. Okay, now again I am going to draw a line here. It is also very important friends. Look here, I am going to draw a line here also. Okay? Now, this is line L here. Now here, this is the point P which is outside the given line. Okay? Now look here. By this way, so here, this is point P. Here the line L. Okay? Now, I will put the point P is here. Okay? The point of compass on P here. Okay, now take some distance here. How much you can take the distance? That should be intersects to this line in 2 distinct points. Okay, if we take very small, then that is not intersects. So just take the distance which should be intersecting 2 distinct points. Okay, like this way. Here it is one point here. Okay, and by the same way, here from this point to here also. Like this. Understand? So, after getting these 2 points here, again I will take the distance in compass from P to more than half of this particular segment here, and like this way. Okay? And from this way also, we can draw an arc here on the same arc here. Here it is the point here. Okay, now P and this, just we get that point. If we join, that is the perpendicular. See here. This is the procedure, friends. Okay. Now, this is what? A line which is perpendicular to the given line. Understand? Friends, in the next example, that one from I think 6th standard, 7th, 8th, in 9th standard as well. So many times we draw that angle here of given measure by using this protractor. Look friends, how to use this protractor? This is very important. Friends, in this protractor, there are the measures from both the sides. See here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Again up to here 180. Okay, again from this side 0, 10, 20 up to here 90, 100, like this 180. So exactly which side we have to take, that is very important. Sometimes students can make mistake, like suppose we have to draw 60 degrees angle, they draw 120 degrees. Sometimes we have to draw 130 degrees, okay, they draw 50 degrees. Why? Because of they take the wrong side measures. Okay, so let's take that example. Draw the given angle of given measure. Okay, see here in the next is 4th, 5th, here 6th one. Draw the angle of given measure. See here, draw major angle ABC. Suppose if we take here 65 degrees. Okay, now look here. First of all, we have to take the base. That is a very important here. That base means what we take here? BC. Look here. I'll take here base BC here. Okay. Now see here. This is one ray here. Here we take here B, and somewhere here we take C. So from B we have to take here 65 degrees. Look here friends. This is the protector, and we are going to take this is the origin of that protector. See friends. Okay, that is very important. Now that dot should be on the B here. Okay, see here. Okay, now in this way the remaining point is to this side. That means we have to measure the angle from this way. Suppose if we put here on C, then the remaining point is to this side. That means we have to measure from this way. This is very important. Okay, now we'll put here on B here. See here. On B here. Okay, so from C side we have to measure here. Okay, see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and here it is 65. Make just dot here, and this, remove this one, and just try to join here. This is the angle, okay, of measure much 65 degrees. And write somewhere A here on this new ray. This is what? Ray, that is angle 65 degrees here. Okay, I draw one more angle. See here, that is obtuse angle. See here, draw major angle, suppose PQR, of length 115 degrees. Okay, just look here. Again, I will draw the base QR here. Okay, like this. Okay, base QR, but I will take now Q to this side and R is here. Okay, now we'll put the protector on Q. Look here. Okay, this is the vertex of that angle. We should put the protector on Q like this one. Now friends, tell me from which side we have to measure here, because ray QR, the R is in this way, so we have to draw the measure from this way. See here, 115. So see here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 150 here. Okay, like this. And try to just join it, then we will get that angle of measure 115 degrees. Okay friends, here it is. Point P we take here. This is the angle of measure 150 degrees. Look here. What is here? Look here, sometimes students can make mistake here. When they draw the 65 degrees, they can draw like this one. Why they make mistake here? Yes, if you put here, they can measure from this way and take that 115 is here. See here, this is 65, no? They took here 65 this side. Then that should be a obtuse angle. So don't make these kinds of mistake here. So when you put the protector here, measure from this side. Okay, when you put the protector here, then the remaining point is this side, no? So by that way, we have to measure the angle. Understand, friends? This is again very, very important here. Okay? Friends, after drawing that angle of given measure, the next one is what? We have to draw the angle which is exactly congruent to the given angle. Okay? In the next example. See here, number 7 sum. They are given to us angle here. Okay? Draw angle PQR which is congruent to angle ABC. We have to draw. Means what? This is the given angle and we have to draw angle PQR. Okay, suppose they are given to us one angle here. Just look here. That the measure of that angle, how much? That one we don't know. Okay, see here. Suppose they are given to us one angle here. Just see here, friends. Okay. Suppose here the angle is here. Okay, like this. How much is the measure of this angle? We don't know. This is angle ABC. This is given to us. Okay, same measure angle we have to draw here. That is angle PQR. Okay, so how to draw? Just look. It is very important one. Look here. I have to draw first base, which is QR. I'll draw it. Okay, base is how much? That we cannot take any particular part here. See here, this is a base. Okay, this is Q1. Okay, now we have to take here that ray QP. Exactly where? Look here. By compass, we have to draw that. See here, by compass. Look here, take some distance in compass. Put here on B and try to draw one arc here. Like this. Okay, by the same distance here, from Q to draw this side. Low, friends, this is a very, very important construction. Okay, after that I will make some changes in that compass. Put here. See, friends, there are 3 points which you get here. Okay, now look here. From this point to up to here, we can take the distance in compass. Okay, friends, just look here. From this point to here, we have to take the distance in compass. From this, by this distance, from this particular point, we have to draw one arc here, like this. Yes, this is the one point, intersecting point, and from this particular point to Q, we have to join. Look here. Yes, and write somewhere on this ray P. So these two are congruent angles. Understand? This is the procedure to draw the congruent angles. Understand, friends? Okay. See, friends, here after drawing the two congruent angles, you can measure whether they are same measure, both having same measure or not. By using protector, you can measure that one. See here, like this. Look here, I also don't know how much this one. Just see here, put here, and just it is looking like suppose 58 something. So here also if we measure here, then this should be also the same measure. Friends, here very carefully try to observe here. Look, friends, this is also near about same example. Okay, same measure. When you draw and try to measure yourself also. Okay, friends? Friends, in the next example, we are going to, in the previously we draw bisector of segment. Here also we are going to draw bisector of the given angle. Okay, see in the next example, what is that? Draw angle, suppose ABC of measure suppose 75 degrees and bisect it. Okay, like this the example is there. So first of all, by using protractor, we have to draw the angle ABC of 75 degrees and bisect it. Okay, see first. I am going to take first base of angle ABC. Look here. Look friends. This is the base of angle ABC here. This is B, this is C, and here A we have to take off 75 degrees by using protractor. Put here B here, okay, and 75 degrees where we can take here from this side because C lies in this side. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and after 70 here is 75. Sometimes students can make mistake here. First they can do here 70. And exactly that 5 degrees from which side they get confusion, and if you take this side, that is nothing but 65 degrees. Okay, that is why, so very carefully by which way you came here, by the same distance, by the same way you can take the remaining degrees also. Okay, after 70 take 5 degrees, and now join that particular point to this B here. Okay, this is ABC of measure 75 degrees. Now the next part is what? We can bisect that one. It is again very simple part. Take some distance in compass here, put here on B, okay, and try to draw one arc here. You can take any distance. Okay, see here, like this. Like this we can draw the arc here. Okay, now again we get here 2 points here. Okay, now I'll just extend the distance in this compass. Okay, I'll put here on this new point and try to draw an arc in the interior of that angle. Okay, by the same distance we can draw from the new second point and try to draw an arc here, and here it is an intersecting point. And that intersecting point and the vertex of that angle we want to join to get that angle bisector. Okay friends, see here. This is the angle bisector. You can measure that one also. Look here. This particular point here, the below angle is nearly, it is nothing but, okay, 75.5 is nothing but 37.5. Okay, somewhere here it is. Okay, same distance from this particular point way, also we get the same. Yes, from this way also we can take here. See here, both are same. Just look here from this way. Okay, and from this way, both are exactly same. Like this we can bisect them. Friends, all this particular part in the previous standard also we took that one, but in this particular year, all this we need here to draw the next constructions. For that, very carefully try to draw all these constructions. Okay friends? See friends, now, in the next example, we are going to draw parallel line to the given line. Okay, see here. In our topic we will discuss already about that. When the two lines becomes parallel, suppose there is one transversal. If their alternate angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. If by transversal two corresponding angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. Okay, but again by the transversal, if their interior angles are supplementary, then also the two lines are parallel. Okay, here also we are going to draw one line which is parallel to the given line through a point which is outside the line. Okay, see first here. Ninth one, draw a line L is parallel to line M, okay, through point P here, where P is outside the line. Okay, now look here. This particular part we can draw by using all the three. One is by alternate, corresponding and interior. Okay, here we can draw by three ways. Just try to observe here. First of all, we'll write the one line, given line we have to draw here. Okay, see here. I'll draw one line here. Okay, now one exterior point that given to us. Suppose this is a point P. This is line L. Okay, we want to draw a line through point P which is parallel to this line. Okay, let's see here. For that, I am going to draw one slant line through point P here. Okay, just look here like this. Okay, I'll just extend. Okay, now look here. Why this method, this ray here? Just try to observe here. So if you draw, look here, that congruent angle to this angle to here, then they are corresponding angle. When the two corresponding angles are congruent, then these two lines are parallel. Okay, using that particular theory, we are going to draw the parallel. See here. How we can draw? This is using corresponding angle. Okay, I'll write here corresponding angle. Okay, look here. I'll take some distance in compass from this particular point here. Just here. Like this. Okay, by the same distance from P to this particular point here, from this side. Okay, now there are how many points we get here? 3 points. 1, 2 and 3. I'll take the same distance in this from these 2 points here. Just here. Okay, so from this particular point P, we are going to draw one arc on this previously drawn arc here. Like this. Okay, here it is one particular point. If we join these 2 points, okay, then the line, if we draw these 2 lines, that particular line is parallel to the given line. Why they are parallel? Because this is corresponding angle which will draw congruent. That is why these 2 lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now very similar I will take by using the property alternate angle. Okay, see here. Again I will draw one line here, baseline. Okay, again I will take one exterior point here, that is P here. Again I will draw one slant line here. Okay, now look here. This is by alternate angle. Look here. Again, here also I will take the same procedure. Yes, from this particular point, we will take one arc here. Okay, by the same distance from this way, because in alternate angle, okay, like Z shape. Okay, see here. Like this. Okay, now again here also we will get the 3 points here. 1, 2 and 3 points. Now we'll take this distance very similar as like this one. Huh? See here, from this particular point to here. Okay, now I'll draw from this point to here. I'll draw that. Okay, now after getting this intersecting point here, I'll just join these 2 lines, these 2 points to get one line here. Okay. This is the line. which is M, which is parallel to the given line L here. By which property? By using alternate angle. Because their alternate angles are congruent, that is why the two lines are parallel. Okay, now here also I will take the similar thing by using interior angles. Look here, baseline. Look friends. Okay, now here this is line L. I will take here one point P here, which is outside the limit. Okay, now here we are going to use interior angle. Okay, now just try to observe here what I am going to make here. First, I am going to draw one perpendicular line to this line through point P, as we already know. See here, put here the point of compass here on P, take the distance in compass, and that distance should be intersects the given line in two distinct points. Okay friends, look here. Okay, and to this side as well. Now, after taking this one, here these are the 2 points. Okay, now from this point, we take that distance like this much. Okay, now that should be here. I'll just rub this part. Okay, now look here, from this particular point to downside, I'll draw one arc here. Again from this way also, I'll draw that arc here. Okay, this is the intersecting point. After getting this intersecting point, we want to join this P and this new particular point here. Okay. Just try to join here. Okay, I'll just extend this line here. Look friends, all these are very important part here. Okay, now again I am going to draw, but before that one, this is one perpendicular. Okay, now see here, from this particular point P, I am going to draw one perpendicular line to this perpendicular line. Means horizontal line. Okay, see how. Again take the same distance in compass like this. From point P, try to draw one arc here and to this side as well. Okay, like this one. Now we get 2 points here. This is one, this is the second point. I'll just extend the distance in compass. Put here and try to draw one arc here. Okay, and from to this side as well. Okay, now put here, try to draw again one arc here. That it should be from both the sides. Again we'll get the 2 new points. If we join these 2 points, okay, we get one line. Okay, just here. This is perpendicular to this line. Okay, if you observe here, these are the 2 interior angles. They are congruent, but the lines are parallel. We don't need that congruent. That should be supplementary. Here this is 90, this one is also 90, 90 plus 90, 180, means the interior angles are supplementary. That is why these 2 lines becomes parallel. So I will take the name point, line M is here. Okay, understand? In these 3 cases, the 2 lines becomes parallel. Okay, this line is given line and this line is a parallel to given line through the point P, which is in the outside of that line. Understand friends? Friends, we'll take one more. That is also again very important in the further examples. What is that? Try to draw one segment of given length. Okay, and that one divide in the given ratio. See first. What is that? Draw seg AB of length, suppose 8 centimeter, okay, and divide seg AB in the ratio, suppose 3:4. Like this we have to divide. See here, first I am going to draw the segment of length 8 centimeter. Okay, just listen very carefully, friends. Suppose this is a segment of 8 centimeter distance here. This is seg AB here, okay, which is 8 centimeter, and now we want to divide this one in the ratio 3:4. That is very important. Okay, look friends, I am going to draw one just ray from A here without taking any angle here. Just try to draw one ray here from this particular point. Okay, I'll explain again. Okay, like this. This is how much distance, angle, that doesn't matter. You can take any distance, any measure. Okay friends, now look here. This is now very important here. 3:4 means 3 plus 4, 7 parts I am going to make to this ray here. Okay, take some distance in compass. Okay, like this one. Put here. Again from this particular point. Okay, this is second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Like this we will make the 7 parts to the new ray. That is what this is: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Now what is that? Straight away join this last point to this B point. Okay, see here. Just straight away try to join that one. Okay, here it is. One triangle will get here. Okay, now where is the third point here? 3:4? No. Look here. Where is 3? Here is 3. So here we want to draw one parallel line to this line through this A3. Okay, so how to draw parallel? See here, this is what corresponding angle, these two. Yes, we'll just draw that one. So here also by the same procedure we draw one corresponding angle. See here, from A7, say take some distance here, okay, like this, or we may take some more distance also. From A7 try to draw one arc here, like this. Okay, by the same distance from A3, again try to draw one arc here. See friends. Okay, here there are 3 points we get here. This is first. Okay, plus. Now I am going to take this much distance in compass. Okay, just here. Okay, by the same distance from this new point I will draw one arc here. Okay, here this is one point here. Now this point and A3, if we join, see here, like this, if we join these 2 points, then here these are the 2 parallel lines. Why? Because their corresponding angles are congruent. Can you observe here? This is one triangle, this is the 2 parallel, means what? By using BPT. Can you observe here? See here, this is what 3:4. So the same distance here also 3:4. Understand? What we studied in the previously, theoretically, this is one practically. Okay, see here, what is that? A3M or MA3 is parallel to BA7. Okay, therefore you can take here AM is 2, AM upon MB is equal to what? AA3 upon A3, A7. Okay, but A3 is to A3, A7 is 3:4. Yes, therefore AM is to MB also 3:4. This is one of the very important. So using this construction, we are going to draw some new examples in the further exercise. Okay friends, in this way we studied all the basic construction steps. So using all these constructions, so try to make practice in your notebook by using your compass instruments. Okay, try to draw again and again. So in the next video, we'll take the next practice sets of this geometrical construction. Okay friends.